Hello YouTube, this is Thor the Engine here with another fan I found. This is a dumpster find. I found this on the 4th of July riding up the street to go see fireworks, and I just so happened to see this thing sitting in the trash can. It was sitting next to a bag of trash, and I could not freaking believe it. I couldn't believe what I had found. And so, this is my 1975 Kmart K223. This is the box fan I've always wanted since I was a kid. And when I turn it around, you'll see exactly why I wanted this thing as a child. It's got the freaking Westinghouse motor. I've always wanted one. Now I finally got one. I can't believe it. And it was absolutely free, out of the garbage. Now mind you, when I got this home, it was black. It had dirt caked on it. I had to take the hose and some LA's Totally Awesome to get 7 years worth of grime and gunk off of it. But this thing cleaned up pretty nice. You see a little bit of rust on there and discoloration, but I'm going to leave that because that's character. Overall, this thing is in pristine condition. Now, for those of you who are my new subscribers who don't understand this, I'm autistic. I collect vintage fans. I love fans. It's been something I've always been fascinated with ever since I was a kid. So there explains that. So anyway, yeah. It's the 1975 Kmart K223-W. And it is on high. Here it is on medium. The switch is oxidized bad, but you know what? I kind of like that little grinding noise that the oxidized switch makes, because that to me just adds more character to the fan. So I'm going to leave it. And finally, low. Gotta love the way them first gen blades look with that Westinghouse motor. Back to high. And off. Well, as a lot of fan collectors would say, I don't know what it is about them first gen blades, but it's just something about them that makes you really, really like them. Especially with the Westinghouse motor and the square cabinet. Now I do have another fan that I got that I will make a video of soon, and that one. But that's all for today.